Hey Jelly Babes, so it's time for another inspiration challenge design, and this was the gorgeous picture that we were to take our inspiration from. So I'm just going to get straight into how I have achieved this. Now, because I've still got this manual on my own nails and this fabulous little sort of nail accessory turned up, I was desperate to use it. So this is basically a nail stand that's magnetic, so you can put obviously your nails on here and do your designs on here, which is what I'm going to be doing, because basically, like, normally I put these like fake nails on my nails, but because these because I've got rhinestones on my nails, obviously they're not going to lie flat and it's going to just look a little bit weird. So yeah, that's why I'm using this, but I may have already used it before in another review or video, I'm not sure. But anyway, getting on to this review now, I'm going to be using this gorgeous Hit the Bottle Stamping Polish Purple Rain, and that's going to actually be my base. So I'm just going to apply it to all of the nails. So I'm trying to do this. It's really weird trying to position it properly because obviously I don't want to be blocking anything. And I'm trying to apply this as I would with like a gel polish, where you can kind of keep going over it really, whereas with this you tend to have to do it in one motion. But how gorgeous does that look? I love the sort of kind of colour shift that it's got in it from sort of purple to blue. Now, because I've allowed both of these coats to completely dry, I can apply a gel top coat. This is a matte top coat, and I'm going to cure that underneath my lamp now. So the first bit of the design I'm going to do is using this Moyou Arabesque plate, and I don't even think I've used this before, which is very shocking to me, but yeah. But I've kind of done like a really cool half moon effect, and those are the nails that I would do it on. And then on the other nails, I'm going to be going to my Uberchic plate, which is plate 601, and I'm going to be taking this sort of damask kind of image here. I'm using another Hit the Bottle Stamping Polish. This one is Champagne Shifter. It is proper gorgeous. And that's how it looks. I mean, don't both of those colours go together amazingly? So that's kind of how it's going to look. And then on the ring finger, I'm going to add some butterflies. I'm using this Ball Pretty plate. It's plate 74. And I'm actually going to use this image here on the left, and I'm going to try and basically use it, even though it's not a layering image, I'm going to try and layer the images up. Because obviously the butterflies in the image were blue. So I kind of put like one coat of it on the nail like so. And then because it didn't really stand out that much, I actually went over it again. So I know it looks a little bit messy there, but you're going to be stamping over that. So hopefully this works. So I'm going to get this image here. So I'm going to just get rid of all the part of the image that I don't want. And then I'm going to line it up as best as possible. Now, because obviously it was a little bit off, I decided to go in with the pen and actually just fill that in there. So you don't actually know, or you wouldn't have known. I could have just shown you this and would have thought I was amazing at stamping, layering and stamping, and that is it. Simple as that, but looks totally gorgeous. So obviously I put it in matte, so I'm just going to put a glossy top coat on just in case you wanted to see what it would look like glossy. So I'm just going to cure that. And if I get both of them now next to each other, I'm just going to get my camera to focus slightly. There you go. You get to see with it glossy and with it matte. So which one do you prefer? Click on the poll on the top part of the screen and let me know. So I've kind of placed it on just a little bit, just so you get to see a little idea of how it would look on your nails. But yeah, I love this colour. I love this design. I kind of tried to keep it simple. I really hope that you like it. Make sure you check out everybody else's designs and from who's took part in this challenge. And take care, Jelly Babes. See you in the next one. Bye.